In this video, we will learn about how to connect our VS Code to GitHub repo so that our work will be saved on GitHub. Steps to connect: 1. Create a GitHub repo on GitHub. 2. Initialize Git into your VS Code terminal. 3. Set the branch for your repo. 4. Set the origin of your GitHub repo. 5. Push the file into GitHub. 6. Go to source control in the left side of your VS Code. 7. Stage the changes. 8. Write commit message. 9. Now push the file or folder. 10. And now it is ready to go. For detailed steps, watch the full video. If it helps, please like the video and hit the subscribe button.